Where's the fight at?
Take a guess, genius.
Son of a gun!
Wanna live? Get your ass out of the street!
Wait for me! Backblast! Changing mags! You're mine!
Watch it!
All right!
Get to the Scorpion tank, Trooper, before the race takes it out! Come on, Trooper! Don't let the race kill our tank!
Ghost!
That race is killing us! Blow it to pieces!
Right here! Why I saw Ghost down! Careful!
Let's go for a ride. Is anything gonna go right? Good work, Trooper. Covenant's been rolling us back block by block. Every Marine in the city is heading for a rally point near the Naval Intelligence Building. You ought to come with us.
Sure, as long as I get to drive the tank.
I am wounded, I bleed.
Hey, let's blow some stuff up!
We got a squad of Marines pinned down, far corner of the next plaza. It's packed with Covenant, Trooper. Once you commit, don't stop moving.
Come and get it!
rally point. Placing a beacon on the door. Let's move, Trooper! Trooper, door's unlocked. Roll on through.
Gauss turret's hot! Ready to fire!
Relax, Marine! Wait till they're in the kill zone!
Ghosts! They'll see me for sure! I gotta take the shot!
I said hold your fire! Concentrate on the Wraith at the end of the... Ah, hell! Backblast clear! Let them have it!
Doc! What are you doing up there?
I'm out of rockets! Kill that Wraith! Mickey! Shoot the Wraith, for God's sake! Okay, dismount! Look into my position! Mickey, over here! Aw, crap! Watch the door! We got visitors! Hey, scumbag, you see full long jacket?
Get up! Get up and fight! Running low.
Those Covenant dropped in behind us. They must know this is our rally point.
Terrific.
Come on, we got ammo and weapons on the high ground. Move it, move it.
Not all of them are gonna be this easy. Hell yeah!
Phantom! Everyone, find some cover!
Heads up! Enemy Wraith sighted!
We got any heavy weapons for that Wraith?
Negative. I'll draw its fire. You try and board it. Kill those runners, Mickey! They're trying to flank us!
Oh, here comes the ODST to set you free. Don't leave things undone, do you, Trip?
Oh, man! Get out of there!
Deadbeat.
You want a war? We'll give you a war! Changing mags.
Hey, steady!
Keep it up, Mickey. We almost got him beat. Do you see him? Dance! Grenade!
Target down!
That's all of them! Way to go, Mickey! Come to my position!
You heard from Gunny?
No. Romeo neither.
Well, guess it's just you and me.
My vote, hole up, wait for backup.
Thank God! Does one of you know how to use explosives?
Your vote just got overruled.
Oh.